Hey guys, Phil with Sisu here. Today we're going to show you how to power on your robot. All right, so now that we have our base securely in position, we've got all our cables plugged in, we have to make sure that we have power to the robot now. It's plugged into the wall to our power outlets. To turn the robot on, all you have to do is turn this switch to on. You can already start to hear her humming away. The second part of powering on your robot is to make sure that the case is powered on. To do that, there's a power switch along the side, on the right side of that. You just push that case or that button on the side of the case and the light will start to blink green while it's powering on. Once it's on completely, the green light will stay solid. So one thing that I want to point out is when you first power on the robot, the safety reset button will be flashing. To fix that, you just press the safety reset button, it'll stop flashing. If it doesn't stop flashing, please refer to our video, our troubleshooting video on how to fix safety reset. Now that your robot's powered on and everything's working correctly, it's time to set things up in Sisu Lab.